Guys, I want to show you the outfit of the day. I have some wide leg pants. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm going to check. And then it's pink, but on the phone it's showing like red, but it's not red, it's pink. And then I'm carrying this bag that I crocheted myself because it fits the tripod. And yeah, I have a black scarf on. And then I have this bracelet on. I'm not wearing a watch today, I don't feel like, but we still look good, right? And then this is the scent of the day. I rarely do scents, but yeah, this is the outfit. And I'm going to check if this thing is recording. I'm going to my brother's place. He called me for lunch, so I'll pick you guys up when I get there, or I'll show you my lunch. Yeah. Mbuge musanyusiza nnyo ne wabawa tekamo akayimba. On my plate I have cabbage and garden eggs. I have spaghetti, sweet potato, cassava, matoke, groundnuts that have mushrooms, and this is beef. We also have chicken. I'll show you guys later, but this is my lunch at my brother's. Should I show you the cook? She's saying the cook. Maria, number where the food is nice. Guys, I've gotten chicken too. I think I'll not be eating for the next 1 week because of someone here. I've gotten chicken too, and I haven't even eaten the beef yet. I showed you guys already. And she's still packing me with food, but the food is very yummy, and she cooked by herself. I didn't know things were serious, so I didn't come early. Anyway, let me keep enjoying. You guys enjoy through the phone. Nyama kigunda. Guys, I'm back. I ate. I was so full. I slept for a bit at my brother's place. That guy organized something and then he left early, so I didn't get to show you my brother, but he had an introduction and I filmed it on my channel. I'll put a link in my description so that you guys go check it out. Anyways, I'm back home. I had left when I cleaned all the groceries that I showed last night, so I'm going to pack them in the fridge, but I cleaned everything. But I'm back and I'm still satisfied. I don't think I will eat dinner Of course I'll eat, but not much. Anyways, yeah, I'm in a good mood. I feel like chatting and yapping. Maybe I should go on a YouTube live, but do I have data? Anyways, let's pack the fridge before I sit and get lazy. Yeah? How is the vlog so far? Give me likes, give me some hearts, give me pink hearts. Anyways, let's pack the fridge on a serious note. Yeah? Guys, the fridge was cleaned. I cleaned it in the morning. Let me first show you. It's clean. There's nothing serious about it. Anyways, this is what I want to show you guys. I washed everything and it's now dry. So let's pack the fridge. I'm over there in the mirror.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be.
Ta-da! Guys, this is how it looks. We have passion fruits up there, and then mangoes again. I peeled one pineapple that was ripe and put it here, and then these are carrots. I told you guys a trick on how to make your carrots last longer. Put them in water and then cover up. They'll be fresh, like fresh from the market for like 2 weeks. They won't dry up like they usually do. And then the tomatoes are here. And yeah, we need more stuff, but the fridge is small, so for now that's what is there. Look at my cute setup that I did here. Those are old baby's breath flowers. They're dried, and then that's a plant. I put it in water, and that's a corn. Renata got it for me. And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. That is it for today's video, this week's video. I don't know if it's week's video or that's Renata. I want to show them my gifts. Okay, you go bring them.
Guys, I want to show you my gifts.
Let's wait for her to show you her gifts. And then I can close off the vlog. Yeah, she's coming.
I'm back. So number one, I have this Shein Kids. So it opens from here up. Then first, you got this dental set.
Toothbrush.
With toothpaste.
But you're being slow.
So it comes.
Yeah. A friend of hers gave them to her.
Shower cup.
Yeah.
And another one. There are 2 shower cups actually. So one is here. It will guys in the thing. Let me show you one. Put it on your head.
She's very excited about these things, by the way.
And then you have this.
She has crackers.
Cheese crackers. Chocolate.
And she has dates covered in chocolate with some pistachio in the middle.
And then I have a comb.
And she has a tiny comb. Is there anything else you want to show them?
My shoes. So guys, I have some nice shoes in here. Let me open them. These are the shoes.
You fix later. First say bye.
Bye.
Just like that.
Hope you enjoyed seeing my gifts. Mwah, and I hope you enjoyed Auntie Julie's video as well. Bye.
Okay guys, so I guess now we can close off the video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you, mean it, all those good things. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and everything in between. Love you guys so much. Mwah.